Hello everyone, welcome back to Can Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Delonghi magnifica espresso machine. Now this machine just needs a new brew unit infuser. Unfortunately this one took a lot to get to here from Italy. So yeah, just needed one of these new infusers. We just also clean around the area to make sure that the machine was functioning properly. We lubricated a couple of things, nothing crazy, but yeah. That's what we did in this machine, and we're just gonna test it out, starting with one shot of espresso. Then we're gonna be using the hot water and then the steam. 1.5 ounces. The way we have it over here, and this is with decaf coffee, so that's really good coming for even decaf coffee. And now we're gonna be using the hot water. As you can see, steady stream coming out of the machine. Looking pretty good. And now for the steam. The machine's gonna take a bit for the steamer to build up some pressure. Perfect, it is good enough. And as you can see, still bringing out a little bit more pressure. So yep, that's perfect. Now it's starting to get some good pressure. And as you can see, it's perfectly fine, having excellent temperature. It's really great. And there you have it, the Delonghi Magnifica working once again. Thank you so much for preparing Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day.